Welcome to Solve It Like a Marketer. I'm Stephen Hobay. Today I'll be exploring what is a certified B Corporation. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't go away. Now, as a business owner, sometimes you may feel that you have one of two choices: make money or do good, when in actual fact, you can do both at the same time. This is where B Corps come in. B Corps are companies that voluntarily meet the highest standards for social and environmental performance. They go through a rigorous certification process, completing a comprehensive assessment of their company's impacts on all stakeholders and having their assessment verified by B Lab, the nonprofit behind the B Corp certification. Now, unlike the traditional corporations that give priority only to financial profitability, B Corps actually look at the triple bottom line, balancing people, profit, and planet. Now, using the power of business to address social and environmental problems. The first companies were certified in 2007, and the movement really has been growing ever since. And there's still a lot of confusion, however, as to what B Corps actually stand for. So here's a definition provided by B Lab. Certified B corporations are businesses that meet the highest standards of verified social and environmental performance, public transparency, and legal accountability to balance profit and purpose. B Corps are accelerating a global culture shift to redefine success in business and build a more inclusive and sustainable economy. Now, an analogy that is commonly used is that B certification is to business what fair trade certification is to coffee, or USDA organic certification to milk. So, in short, B Corps are companies that undergo a rigorous certification process to improve their social and environmental performance. Now, they don't just say that they're good businesses or socially responsible businesses. They have to prove that they're actually doing it. They are committed to using business as a force for good, and they're willing to have their practices be independently vetted by this third party and to make those results transparent. Now, there are currently over 4,000 certified B corporations in more than 70 countries and over 150 industries across the globe. So now you're thinking, what if I want to become B Corp certified? Well, here are 3 steps that businesses, entrepreneurs can follow to become certified B Corps. Believe that your business can be a force for good. This is really number 1. As a B Corp entrepreneur, you are committed to a vision of business as a force for good. You believe that the purpose of a company is to create inclusive, environmentally sustainable prosperity. You also believe in making money while doing good. So this means that nonprofits aren't eligible to become B Corps. Neither are organizations that receive funding or grants from governments or charities. To become a B Corp, your business should have a clear, specific social or environmental goal or set of goals. It should also be managed in a transparent way and be accountable to stakeholders, including the local community. Now, next, as I've mentioned, you want to take that B Corp assessment, and the best way to do that is to try one of their free online assessments. There's the short 30-minute assessment, which will really give you an idea of your business's potential as a B Corp. The full B Corp assessment might take you between a few hours to even weeks to complete, depending on how many backup documents you have on hand. Both assessments, again, are free to complete and the information remains completely confidential. The assessment grades your company's accountability and transparency, its impact on your employees, the community, and the environment, as well as the beneficial impact of its products or services. It also allows you to benchmark your social and environmental performance against other companies. Completing the full B Corp assessment really will give you access to what's called a B Impact report, which includes a B score that rates your company's performance as a social enterprise. A business needs to score at least 80 points out of the maximum 200 to be eligible for B certification. I put the link to those assessments on the B Lab site in the description below, so you can check those out. Now, your final step of 3 will be to change your articles of incorporation. And this is the sort of key tweak that differentiates B Corps from traditional companies. In essence, it's a statement of B Corp values that gets woven into the very DNA of your company. Now, when applying for certification, you need to submit your assessment again to B Lab. Staff will go through your assessment, explain the certification fees, ask for supporting documentation, and possibly arrange final site visits. So what are the benefits of becoming a B Corp, you may ask? Well, I can speak from experience on this. My company became a B Corp roughly about 4 years ago. And not only I can say is it a fantastic community, but you have really a guidepost of conduct for your business. It's also great for networking with other like-minded companies. Really engaging and collaborating with other B Corps means there's sort of a common understanding already from which to build. I really believe that whether you choose to become a B Corp or not, the principles, these base principles of balancing people, profit, and planet really should be adopted by all companies. So many companies are really good at greenwashing. They talk about what they plan to do rather than actually taking action. So this triple line approach forces companies to really think hard about how they run their businesses, how they make money, how they treat their employees, how they benefit the wider community, and so on. Now, slowly we are getting there as a society. But I'd say it's really up to us as consumers to put the pressure on companies to adopt an ethical approach to making money. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and please share so that other people can enjoy my videos. You can also catch me on Instagram and Facebook for extra content and you never miss an episode. Or please connect with me on LinkedIn. Those links are below. I will see you every week with a new video, so please stay tuned, and together, let's solve it like a marketer.